Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I think we should talk about GameStop. Now, I think every investor or trader should have some sort of strategy for investing in the stock market. And that's what we're going to be covering. How to create a GameStop investing strategy. We're going to be just purely looking at the technical analysis. So support, resistance, my kind of price targets for it. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you get anything in value, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, go ahead and check out my course. So now guys, roll the intro, let's go. Bam. Alrighty guys, so looking at ticker symbol GME, this is also known as GameStop. Now, the thing about GameStop is GameStop's fundamentals are not very strong here. This company has increasing debt, not a lot of cash on hand, closing stores, not very good profit margins. The company itself is not very strong here. But the company on the technical side, so this charting is crazy. It has lows here at $13 and highs here at $513. So you guys can see the stock has gone up very, very fast here over the past couple of weeks for a couple of reasons. Now, short squeezes being number one, and number two being Wall Street bets. It's a very, very hyped up and sought after stock right now. So you guys can see it does have some resistance here at 513, more resistance here at 425, resistance here at 345, support here at 237, and some more support here at 200 here. So if you were going to invest into this company right now, this would have to be a purely swing trade or even a day trade right now, because I think holding this for a long-term investment would not be wise at all. You know, this would be a very, very high risk, investment for the long term. You'd have to have this company come out with good profit margins. A lot of things here, a lot of fundamental catalysts will have to come out. But on the flip side, from a swing trader's perspective or even a day trader's perspective, this stock brings opportunity. This stock brings opportunity to invest and trade the markets here. So if I was going to do a one lump sum investment, I would need the stock here to be around $250. The reason why I say that is because I would pretty much set my stops here at around 200. So I would risk $50 for this here to come back up to these highs. And I would just let it ride out, set my stops here, and just let it go. I definitely think the stock here could hit this $500 mark. But I think on the other side is before it hits that $500 mark, it could easily hit the $230 or $240 mark. It's a very, very high risk stock right now because of all the order flows and everything like that. So a lot of the orders that are actually getting placed for GameStop are either getting halted, restricted, or anything like that. Multiple brokers came out and said that they're limiting shares for GameStop. They're restricting certain companies and stuff like that. So, and GameStop being one of them here. But obviously, this is a very, very high risk stock here. So, like I said, I'm going to set an alert here at around 240 and just let it go here. I think the stock definitely carries potential for the short term, but for the long term here, I think you just have to understand that just let this stock fall down. Or if you're going to even try to do something like that, yeah, you could dollar cost average this, but even if this stock falls all the way down to zero, your average price is going to be like 150. And I think that's very, very overvalued here because the market cap for GameStop is around 24 billion here. And I think for a company that doesn't make nearly as much money as that and they have a lot of debt, I think that is not very strong here. But the strategy here, just wait for it to fall here or just, hop in, let it ride. There's a lot of people that are actually just doing YOLO calls and just going for it. I think that's a very, very risky move right now. And the thing about it is I do think if this is going to happen, will happen probably Monday because there's a lot of options that are going to be expiring and getting bought, which is going to make these stocks kind of get some sort of fundamental catalyst. So that's like a news, earnings, or something like that. I think that could kind of fall in line with GameStop and make the stock go up even more here. It's definitely a high risk stock, so you guys have to understand that. And obviously for long-term investment, if you guys are going to go with GameStop, make sure you have a base of ETFs, blue chip stocks, or even bonds to act as your defense here. But that would be my trading strategy for GameStop here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. And if you did, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my course, and you guys can use promo code dividends to get 50% off. So at least check it out, and that'll be the first link down below. So remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care, everyone.